Hey, what's up, YouTube? Out here on my porch looking at the rainbow, and I just wanted to answer a question. Someone asked, is it truly possible to increase your score almost 100 points in 2 days? Well, yeah, but I'm gonna tell you this. When you use Credit Karma, okay, and I made a video about Credit Karma, how they lie about the pre-approvals and everything, right? So when you use Credit Karma and you dispute negative items, depends on how many negative items is on your credit file, depends on how fast they respond, your credit score can go up almost 100 points in 2 days. Okay, so that would probably be like your oh wow, look at that storm. That would probably be like your sorry guys, that would probably also include removing some inquiries as well, right? So with Credit Karma using a Vantage score, okay, they update faster than your FICO score, okay? And because they update faster than your FICO score, that's the reason your credit score would jump up much faster. Now, here's the flip side of that. Like I explained in the last video, where Credit Karma says that, hey, your credit score just went up to, you was at a just say you was at a 580. And Credit Karma says, oh, your credit score then went up to 670, 680. You qualify for this, right? Now, again, this is 2 days from that. Well, FICO did not update yet. FICO takes longer to update. Now, that doesn't mean that 670, 680 on your Credit Karma, that's a Vantage score, is going to equal the same as your FICO score, especially like dealing with the banks. Remember, I told you that the major banks, Chase Bank, Bank of America, American Express, Capital One, they actually pull your FICO 8. Hey, where's our rainbow at? Right? So then, like, even though you went up to 670, 680, then what'll happen is Credit Karma might say, hey, why don't you apply for a Chase card, or why don't you apply for a Capital One card, and then you still end up getting denied. So now you have these extra inquiries, even though your credit score supposedly went up 100 points in 2 days. So if you don't understand your real credit score, you want to get access to your real credit score, click the link in the description to schedule a one-on-one consultation, because you need to know what's real. Now, there is some news that FHA, if you're looking to get a mortgage, FHA and Freddie and Fannie Mac, they may be looking at Vantage, using Vantage score to actually help you qualify for a mortgage instead of using FICO score. Okay, so this is Houston with Three-Way Funding. I just wanted to make this quick video. As you can see that the rainbow has disappeared and it started raining and everything. But if you have questions, click the link in the description. Thank you.